Hello everyone, welcome back to Swiflearn YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope my lovely students doing very well. Yes, and in the last class I told you how to multiply a large number by number of nines. Yes, so today we are going to continue that one. But before, for our new viewers, I'll introduce what is Swiflearn. So Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10, and here all the classes 100% live and interactive. Each student get personal attention of their teacher because the maximum student in batch only 6, minimum 1. Yes, and our acad mentor team works on student progress. They are working whether students doing their homework or not, and even teachers also discussing the homework in the class. They are conducting PTMs and regular touch with parents. And we are covering your syllabus as per your school exam schedules and also handle the custom requests. If you require some extra classes for your exams, and if you have any doubt and you require the doubt class, so we'll provide everything. So student, those who are enrolled with us, they get additional benefits whenever we are conducting PTM. So we are providing progress reports and everything. So as you know students, so this is the episode 7. Yes, and of the series Secret Strategies of Vedas, and I am Sushma. I am again welcomes you in this series. So let's see what we are going to do in this session. Okay, so in the last session, in the last episode, I told you about Ekanyunena Purvena. So in that we already saw what is the meaning, application and tricks and example. But today I will tell you something new. What is that? Okay. So those who are new viewers, and if you don't know what we have learned in the previous sessions, in the previous episodes, please go through that. Yes, और आपको पता लगेगा कि हमने कितने इंटरेस्टिंग, इतने लार्ज मैजिकल हमने इतना कैलकुलेशन कितना फास्टली कर लिया. Okay, so let's see again. Ekanyunena Purvena. Eka means one, Nyun means less. Now Purvena means previous one. The meaning is by one less than previous. As you can see on screen, by one less the previous. But what is the use? So the use is we can multiply any large number by 9. So in the last episode I told you if the number of nines equal to the multiplicand. So let's see again. Yes. So it's trick time students. So here I'll take one number, suppose 423 multiply 999. So I hope you know this trick. Yeah, so 1 less 422, and for this all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and last 10 minus 3 is 7. This one the answer. And जिन्होंने अभी तक last वाला episode नहीं देखा है, please go see that one and after that come back again, because आज यहाँ पे कुछ twist होने वाला है. अब वो twist क्या है? Suppose if I'll write one more example, 235 multiply 999. How we are going to do this one? अब तो 9 कम है, multiplicand की digits ज़्यादा है. So this part is known as multiplier and this one multiplicand. Yes, but how we are going to multiply this one? But before that I'll tell you one more example. Suppose 23 multiply 999. So you know this one. Yeah, we have to make it equal. So to make it equal, what we did? Place the 0 in the beginning. The same, 1 less means 22. Yes, if you want to write 0, nothing, and then all number from 9, last number from 10. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So this one is your answer. Now student, tell me where we have to place 0. In before of 9? No, we are not going to place any 0 in this. In this we have different method. But what is that? I'll tell you. Here how many 9s we have? We have 2 9s. So according to that we are going to split that multiplicand into 2 parts. So 2 9, so we leave 2 digits from the right end, 1 2, and split this one. This part become my RHS and this part become my LHS. Now, to get the first part of your answer, what you will do? One more of this LHS. What is one more of LHS? That become 2 plus 1 is 3. And this 3 you have to subtract from your whole multiplicand. What is your multiplicand? 235 minus 3. Yes, so your answer is 232. This is the first part of your answer. What about second? So we are going to apply all from 9 and last from 10 to the RHS part. Yes, to the RHS part. So here we are going to apply all from 9, last from 10. So here 9 minus 3 is 6 and 10 minus 5 is 5. So your answer is 23265. I hope this one clear. So what we did? We first split the multiplicand into two parts, LHS and RHS. One more of LHS. Okay, and then that should be subtract from your multiplicand. So that's your first part of the answer. And for the second part, we are going to apply all from 9, last from 10. Is it clear? Let's do some more questions. Okay, so here according to the number, if we have 3 9s, so we have to leave 3 digits. Is it clear? चलिए तो कुछ practice हो जाए. So just stop this video here and let's see. So here how many 9s we have? 2 9s. Split this one. Now we are not going to write the steps. Yeah, one more of 3 is 4 and 4 subtract from 347. So answer is 343. Yeah, 7 minus 4 is 3. And for this part I am going to apply all from 9, last from 10. Yes, so 9 minus 4 is 5 and 10 minus 7 is 3. And see, if you are going to do this question by multiplying 100 minus 1 or 9 into 7, 9 into 4, it take a lot of time. See here, without any multiplication and all these things, I did this question. So again, 3 9, so I leave 3 digits here. One more of 2 is 3. Yes, and that will be subtract. So 2, 4, 5 and 8 minus 3 is 5. First part of the answer. And for the second part, means for the RHS, we are going to apply all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 10 minus 8 is 2. And see, this is your answer. Easy, squeezy, yeah. So next question, students. 3 9, so we have to leave 3 digits. Yes. And now one more of 6 is 7 and that should subtract from the 6,374. So 6, 3. Now this time your subtrahand is greater. 7 is greater than 4. So what will do? Borrowing that one. Yes. So 7 becomes 6 and 14 minus 7 is 7. And for the right part you are going to apply all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 4 is 6. This is your answer. तो प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. यस एंड यहाँ पे 2 9, so we leave 2 digits. Yeah, 41 become 42. One more, and that 42 you have to subtract from 4,180. So this one, and now A, this one again your subtrahand digit is greater than 0. That one your minute. So what we'll do? 1 borrow. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 10 minus 2 is 8. And for the right part, all from 9, last from 10. But I told you, whenever we have 0 in the last, so previous digit consider as the last. So 10 minus 8 is 2. अब देखिए मैंने आपको कितने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे रिवाइज करवा दिए. और अगर आपने पहले से ही सारे के सारे सीरीज या एपिसोड्स आपने देखे हुए हैं तो आपको बिल्कुल डाउट नहीं होगा. सो हियर रिविजन, या हियर वी हैव द 5 9s and 5 digit. So we are not going to split this one. One less. 8 9 3 7 5 and all number from 9, last number from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 7 2 and 10 minus 6 is 4. This one is your answer. Next one. Here we have 4 9s, 3 digits in the multiplicand. What we have to do? Place 0. One less, so 979 and then all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0 is 9 Yeah, we have to include this 0 also, 9 minus 0. And then 9 minus 9 is 0. And then if we have 0 in the last, so previous digit considered as the last. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and this 0. See? So we here revised all the concept, all from 9, last from 10, whenever 0 we have in the last. तो स्टूडेंट प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और बताइए कि आज का सेशन, आज का एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा. So thank you, and if you like this video, so please press the like button, comment and share how's the video, how's the episode, and for our new viewers, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so you'll never miss any of the update of any sutras. Okay, so but before going to that, I'll tell you one motivational line. So you know students, nothing is possible. Nothing is possible because the word itself says I am possible. तो मेहनत करते रहिए और कुछ कर दिखाओ ऐसा दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में सुषमा मैम के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू, टाटा.